Skywalk Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Warri, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God, we don't shout it now.
Hey! Hey! Let it go! I'm not go. Everybody go outside, go outside. The show someone na go, let it go. Yeah. I'll not be liar. Now you know say I worry people. Now too much. Thank God. Now don't they come out for show now. Thank God. We think say now only. We think say I don't try now. I don't marry now, so I go fat small. Man, you know easy. This adultery. Man, when they do adultery now, they try you. Adultery no easy. 2 years I don't marry now. Only number one will collect. My wife go know number. Some men they get grace for adultery. I don't know some grace there for adultery. Not be joke. Who? You dey shit on your wife. They shit on your wife for how many years when I don't marry till now? I don't know how robo men they do. They go clean their mouth. They date two girlfriend. Now girlfriend call they quarrel. Wife no even know. Now wife call they settle the girlfriend. I mean I leave now. So my husband be oh. I mean I leave him oh. God go help you now. One idiot dey Lagos tell one girl from Kano make the girl send her breast picture. Man, like I don't know why. Now just see me person send you breast picture. I want to see your breast. And your wife get one for her. You just want new one. The idiot girl go say, "Fia, breast they come from Kano." The breast reach Abuja, see hold up. That's what. Men are too wicked. Breast don't reach Abuja now. Other people send breast come from Aushi, they don't reach there. And so they mix one, they go like this, they go till let it stay. I beg, wait, man. One person come pick up for me. I beg, come, bros. This one they'll say na Kevin own. See my own, I beg. I know my show now August 11. I beg. Now here I want to see you. So as now they come out like me, I just write my name down. So they go out, write your name down for outside. Say I will come to Mr. Post show. I beg. I not get straight to Ushbebe get. We visit all of them now. I not get that power. Oh, Ushbebe no, now in a big boss. So if you call and I go me, I call you. You even pick my call. I beg. My show now August 11. Hey, see ya. Nine be this. To stay Lagos, it's not easy. Oh. And I mean, we call to stay Lagos. No easy. One idiot Lagos where there's a big package. One idiot will not get house. Come my house. They won't teach me how to arrange my house. He not get house. So. Say where I put my wardrobe. Not be there wardrobe the day. I know they put. I don't know. Say now where you want sleep. Now they arrange that. I don't tire. Man, Lagos man, I be worry me, I beg. Anywhere they travel, go tell your wife. Some men go won't go Abuja. They go say, they will tell their wife say they go Abuja and they go Owerri. They carry one girl go Owerri. They come say their wife, say, I'm going to Abuja. Your wife will call me down, they pray. Send angel. Message say, may angel go Abuja, go protect you. And so one woman send angel. The angel reach Abuja, Transcorp, the angel come sit down, they wait for the man. This not be joke. Oh. Angel don't walk around the whole hotel. No, so angel call the reception. They wait this man. So other angels say when they come, they sit down. So angel Philo call they fall in love with her. So I go turn one joke. Put them my show August 11. I beg you now. August 11. I beg. Now this place I'll still use. So I'll call talk this one. I'll talk on my shoulder. I will go because bros already. There's talker and bros I go save. They still remain. So one of my friends he work now to make up a pig. Now pig in the makeup. What if you? Which guy? Okay, man, not talk that one. Be like say, una no go understand that one. So my mother dey complain with you say in 10,000 naira loss. Now I say, your 10,000, why na me just dey suspect for the eye? Say na me. So now he drag me go meet pastor. Now pastor say, why you thief your mother 10,000? I say, pastor, not be me thief the 10,000. Say me ask my mother where he put the money. Now my mother say he put am for Bible. I say for where? He say he put am for Exodus. And for Exodus, children of Israel, when they come up for Exodus, God tell them, send it where they see for Egypt, make them carry. So now they pass. They cost my mother 10,000 naira. So they call. So Pharaoh they pursue them. So they call by Pharaoh horse. Small because bakery they near where they do. What I want to I'll take for my show. I'll talk normal. Beg. Remember I just told I not to say for my show I'll not talk. For my show I'll talk normal. Beg. So August 11. I'm not supposed to talk all the joke here because if I go talk all the joke now, that day now which joke I want to go crack? I don't know. Man, still talk one. Man, talk this one. If I just talk this one, but not be nonsense. This one a real one. So, husband and wife, you know, go make they work for the same place because they go know the secret of the job. How husband want to lie to you since you and your wife now they the same position, the same office. Husband and wife they work for general hospital. The man na the chief surgeon, and the wife the assistant. So they call they do operation for one of my guy. Now he get heart problem. So the man don't tear my guy heart. He don't bring the heart come outside. The wife now will touch the look the. So now the husband phone come beep like text message enter. Now the woman carry the phone call put the text message. Now he say now one girl send the husband message say baby. When can we see again? So woman wey say husband don carry person heart for hand o. Wey go leave make the man finish the operation. Now he say who is Cynthia? Now the man call use that class say don't worry let me finish the operation. He hold my guy heart for hand with knife o. Now the woman very wicked woman call hold the husband for neck with my friend heart for hand. So my friend call dey say madam please let them finish. Man, they go now. Come pack my money. Come pack. Thank you very much.
Friday Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri. Yadadi 23.